Agent Quantum is always one wave ahead of me, meddling in my plans. I'll catch him next time.
Unfortunately for the villain, his electron arch-nemesis can never be caught. Why? Because he has the Heisenberg uncertainty principle on his side. But what does that mean, really? First of all, Agent Quantum is an electron who has the ability to be both a particle and a wave, which makes it super hard to find him. Momentum, which is mass times velocity, is given by a sine wave like this. We all have a frequency, but it's mainly undetectable on our macro scale since we have so much momentum. The more momentum we have, the smaller a wave is. But for our electron, its mass and velocity are so tiny that it produces a wavelength that we can detect. For example, this is Agent Quantum's momentum. The position of an electron is also given by a wave because with the wave-particle duality ability, Agent Quantum can be in many different places. Essentially, the higher wave's peak is, the better chance that the electron is there. But notice that in Quantum's momentum wave, he could practically be anywhere since the values are identical. Scientists like our villain try to do is to blast photons of light at the electron, similar to how a bat uses echolocation to find its prey. The problem is, since the electron is so tiny, once hit by a photon of light, its momentum changes. Photon reflects the electron's location to our scientists in a position wave, but we have no idea how much momentum the electron has anymore since the values aren't constant in the new position wave. With the momentum changed, our electron probably zipped off to another location. So even if you do find the momentum wave, you can never find the position since the values are all identical and you can't narrow down a specific location. Same thing with the position wave. The values are too different, so you can't find a constant momentum. And this is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. You can't have your cake and eat it too. This helps us understand quantum mechanics, which is prominent in our day-to-day lives. This is an example of how we can take the unknown to make our world better.